showing you how you can legitly use your AirPods with a PlayStation, and I think this works on Xbox as well. You just need a couple of things and you should be like working in no time. Okay, so on here I am running iOS 13 beta 13.1 actually. If I go to general and software update, and I actually have a software update coming up. See right here, 13.1. Now, in iOS 13, you can actually connect a PlayStation controller on here through Bluetooth now, so you can actually play games with the PlayStation controller. As you can see right here, it's connected, and I'm actually going to disconnect my controller from my PlayStation. So all you gotta do is up here, a little blurry. Yeah, I'll fix that. All right, there we go. A little blurry. All right, then we're gonna go to devices. They just want to basically says turn off device. All right, now when you do that, you basically want to go to your Bluetooth settings. Now I already have this, but I'm actually going to forget about this device on my phone, just to do a clean slate. So I'm going to forget the device, and what you want to do is you want to hold the option, you want to hold this, I think it's the share option button, and you want to hold the PlayStation button at the same time. I'm going to try to do this too, and it'll be like rapidly blinking on the back. Yep. So you kind of get like a strobe light kind of right there. Then on 13.1 phone, you want to see through-stroke wireless for a controller. Now, the controller on the back should turn a salmon type color. So if you can see like that. Now, what you can do, and I believe this works, is that you can't just kind of scroll like that. No. So PlayStation actually came up with an app that allows you to play kind of carpool in on your phone, on your PlayStation from like, I think a far distance, and I think this works as well. It's called PS4 Remote Play, as you can see on top, and just click that. And then make sure you're on the same Wi-Fi network as your house, and you should be able to work. And you can see it's connecting right now, and it should basically mirror the same display. Yeah, so you see it right here. On here, I can be able to, it has taptic feedback, and the sound also comes over to my phone as well. Now, when it comes to your AirPods, it should just be as simple as just open your case, put your AirPods right there. See, take them out, and then basically, I'm gonna put one in my ear, and then tell me it's connected, and then basically just use the controller. Use the controller as a it's kind of like a a way to connect your AirPods. Now the only problem is with this app is that it's a little bit laggy, and sometimes depending on your network it will lag. But basically, I'm using my AirPods while playing PlayStation legitly in 2019. And this also, I believe this also works with Netflix as well. I'll see, because Netflix has some strange priority. Yeah, so yeah, you cannot use Netflix with this. So I'm actually going to go back home. And then basically, I can go to Minecraft. And the thing is, if you don't like the two screen, you can always just turn your phone around, and then I just have my AirPods. Playing the music that's played on Minecraft. Of course, you cannot use the side features on the AirPods, and it's a little bit of some latency, as you can see here. So if I press this, actually some of these buttons don't even work, but if I press go like this, it's a little bit late, and it depends on your Wi-Fi network and how strong your phone connection is. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I saved you or possibly showed you a possible way to use AirPods in 2019 with your PlayStation or Xbox. Peace.